Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this week I am taking you with me vintage shopping. More precisely, this year I decided to sort of try and see what Paris had to offer in terms of secondhand furniture, decor, and even clothing. Today I am on my way to Emmaüs, which is a French store that offers vintage clothes, vintage decor, vintage books, vintage everything basically, because I'm thinking of replacing a few things in my home. All right, let's go. Okay, so it took me around 45 minutes to get to Emmaüs, and I was actually inspired to take the trip there from a TikTok I saw a couple weeks ago. I will say their selection is pretty good, especially when it comes to furniture. These are some of the things that I've seen online, of course, but definitely not for that price point. I can't fit them in my house, but for those who can, check them out. They also have a good selection of jackets and coats and shoes, and I even think things for the house like tablecloth or bed sheets. As far as decor, I will say apart from these chairs that I really crushed on, I didn't really love their selection. There wasn't much there. I don't know if it's because I got there late or, you know, if it's what they have usually, but it wasn't much for me apart from this mirror that I thought was cute. I think if it was bigger, I may have tried to get it back to my house. I also loved this shelving system. I thought it was really cute, and this separation as well. The book selection and section was actually my favorite part of this whole trip. I thought that it was really amazing. They had a lot of art books that looked really cool, history books, and even books on spirituality. I will say I think this is where I spent the most of my time, and I'll probably be coming back with a friend or two to just check it out and spend some more time checking out what they have. I also saw that they had some sound system, but to be honest, I don't know enough about it to stray from what was advised and recommended to me. And oh yeah, they also had vinyls. So I am back from my little outing. Let's see, I really liked that they had a big piece of furniture. I will say I think this is the type of place you have to go to with a car. Like, although I saw some cool things, there's no way I can carry them myself. As far as like decor, I thought there was gonna be more things. I thought there would be like some candle holders and stuff like that. I didn't see anything that I was really into. I will say I think they do have a good book selection. Oh, and they also have cute chairs, and the price range is also really good. So I feel like that's it for today, everyone. Thank you for watching this short video. As I've said, I'm gonna try and make these little vlogs slash outing maybe once every 2 months, so we can like go and discover new shops in Paris or wherever I am. And if you have like shops that you think would be interesting to explore, please let me know in the comments down below. And in the meantime, have a good rest of the week, and I shall see you all next Thursday. Bye!